Y'all like my lashes?
So here's the deal. Shout out to the great people at Bossip or Black Gossip, Bossip.com, Jesus. So they posted a very interesting article on July 14th, 2017 titled Exclusive. Kirk Frost finally okays DNA test for alleged secret son. Here's what they wrote. Kirk Frost will head to court over allegations that he impregnated stripper. Love and Hip Hop Atlanta's Kirk Frost is finally facing the music over claiming he secretly fathered a baby boy with former stripper Jasmine Washington. Some 7 months after Washington sued Frost for paternity and child support for baby Cannon Mackay Washington, the married father of 5 has agreed to accept service on the case, and it will now move forward in the courts, Bossip has learned. Frost, who's married to Rashida, is in jeopardy because of the affair. Accepted service of Washington's complaint July 10th, according to court documents obtained by Bossip. Washington's lawyer Tony Mathis told Bossip that his client was relieved that the case would finally move on and eventually co-parent little Cannon. Quote, "We are going to have the paternity set done, and once we have this completed, we'll look at child support," he told us. Quote, "It's better later than never, but our focus is on the long term. We don't want any unnecessary animosity towards anybody. The focus is on the child," end quote. Washington said in court papers that she was essentially Frost-kept woman, receiving a monthly allowance and use of a car in exchange for being with him. However, she said after her baby was born and she tried to break things off, Frost began denying that Cannon was his and cut her off financially. Frost appeared to have done all he could not to take the paternity test, from pretending that he didn't know Washington, dodging service, and accusing her of being a scam artist. But finally, Frost acknowledged on the show that he did sleep with her and gave her hush money to keep quiet about the affair. The secret relationship and the fallout was a major storyline on this season's Love and Hip Hop Atlanta, and it seems to have been the straw that broke the camel's back in Frost's marriage. On the show, the pair signed separation papers, and on Love and Hip Hop Atlanta's reunion show, Rashida complained that Frost stepping out, quote, broke her emotionally. While Mathis said there is no doubt in Washington's mind that Frost is her son's father, they will do the paternity test anyway, quote, to get that question answered in his mind, Mathis said. "We've reached out to Frost's attorney for comment." Wow, I hope that he replies. But here's the deal. Wow. This is just really insane. I mean, I don't really even know what to say about this particular situation, because it's like Kirk's out here allegedly raw dogging strippers, is like, you know, allegedly committing adultery on Rashida. Like, it's like, wake me up and tell me that I just had a nightmare. Like, I just don't want to believe that. Rashida's one of my favorites. You know, I think she's freaking awesome sauce. I think she doesn't deserve that. I just feel like she deserves better. You know, it's just crazy. But anyway, this is all my opinion. What do I know? Hope this shit is not true. It's like, wake me up from this dream. Be sure to subscribe to the Meat Magazine YouTube channels. Visit meatmagazine.blogspot.com for more. Follow me on Twitter at Meat Magazine, Meat Magazine 7 on Google+, Meat Magazine blog and Instagram. Be sure to hit the notification button. It's right next to the subscribe button. It looks like a bell. Once you click that button, you'll be sent alerts to be notified when the videos get posted. Jesus. What do you think the results will be? Please comment below on this. Do you think he is the father, not the father, or he is and isn't at the same time? Now that's some X-Files shit, right? Haha, Meat Magazine. I still blame that goddamn Adam's apple.